guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making up for you guys a energy bite recipe. The great thing about this recipe, kind of like the smoothies, is if there's something in it that you don't like, you don't have to put it in. If you want to add some other stuff, you certainly can. I'm making up a quick one today. It's got some of my favorite stuff. Start with a half a cup of peanut butter. To that, you add 3/4 of a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of shredded coconut. I like chocolate, so I'm using a half a cup of chocolate chips. For my sweetener, I'm using 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. You could use honey or any other liquid-based sweetener if you like something else. And to give it a little extra crunch, I'm using a couple of tablespoons of sunflower seeds and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So once you add all of them together, all you got to do is just stir. Once it all comes together, you'll see that it kind of is nice and sticky, and if it's not coming together, you can add a little bit more peanut butter and that will help make it stick to each other. From here, you've got a couple of options. You're going to let this chill for about an hour or so before you do anything with it. You can then roll it into little bites, or you can press it into a pan and then cut it into squares, which is what I'm going to do for mine. Once you press them out into the pan, if that's what you choose to do like I did, this is what they're going to look like. So again, you can make this recipe however you want. If you want to add some chia seeds or some flax seeds, you can do that, or wrap up some of the good protein and stuff like that. You can add raisins, cranberries, take something out, add whatever you want.